Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to update or transform your bedroom by transforming your bed or making over your bed. This is the before, this is how the bed look like. So let's start the video. So the first thing I normally do is adjusting the headboard, the height of the headboard, by using those pieces of wood to raise the headboard and then attach 3mm plywood on it, just to flatten out the surface so that it can work with. And then I normally use either a 2-inch or 3-inch foam according to the design that I'm using, but for this design I did use 2-inch foam, and I normally use this quick fix glue, or you can call it contact glue, to attach the foam onto the frame. And then I make the design that I want, or draw the design. As you can see, that is what I did. And I normally cut the foam using a saw blade. Yeah, that is what I normally use. And then I start doing the transformation. So if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So we had to transform this bed, and then the client did give us an order of making her a side table, and I'm just going to be giving you small clips on how I did make the side tables. And on Wednesday I'm going to upload, in Wednesday or Thursday, let me just say Thursday, a video will be up on how I did make the side table, a full video if you want to try something like that. These are some of the decorations. These are gold straps that I normally use for decoration on these designs. Yeah, so you can see that it's a very nice design for you to try. This is an idea that I normally give you, that you don't have to throw away your wooden or old bed, but you can just transform it into a modern design that you can use for another few years before changing your mind. So this is how the bed turned out. What is left for me to do is do the finishing, cover the back of the headboard, and then show you the final reveal. But I'm going to be showing you the final reveal after I've shown you the small clips of the side tables on how we did make it, because on the final reveal I'm going to be showing you the side tables, and some of you might wonder how or where did the side table come from. So we also made it for the client. And also I'm just reminding you that I'm going to be uploading a video on a step-by-step from scratch to finish on how I did make the side tables. See you in my next videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it and share with your friends.